Hopefully this joint working. I don't even know if anybody in here. Do 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 do. Hold up. Um, Hold up, y'all. Give me a second. Give me a second. I gotta get the chat up. Can y'all type in the chat? Somebody put something in the chat. Got two heads in here. Let me know if y'all can type. Got the chat pulled up. Or if y'all can hear me. I know y'all can hear me good. Nonetheless, though, I like shorts, as y'all can see. Right there. Not interested in going long. You got this, oh man, hold up. Hopefully it's not delayed. Yeah, we got this gap on QQQ. From 28.60 until about 26.8. Looking to see that get filled. We also up at this level of resistance up here, so we can see if I want to see if we either push past that and go to all-time highs, or we just going right back down to 14. So we'll see at the open. You're gonna be patient. You're gonna be patient. They said my mic is low. Let's see, is that better? Testing, 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 testing. Let me know if that's better. I think I just had a chat right there. Let me know if that's better. I turned it up. Turn it up. But let me know if it's too loud now. Yeah, we got the open. 30 seconds, so let's see what it do. Took a L yesterday on shorts, man, or on options. Went 1 for 2. Them puts just did not play out, and by the time they did play out at 3:45, they were cooked already. Was able to take a short on NQ though. Got in, I feel like on this test or on that test. Got a couple points. So yeah. Let's see what we want to do. I would rather a little fake move up before we dump. Don't really want to just hop straight into shorts, even though it don't look bad for options at least. Let's see. Going with Top Step. You made your account today. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. We locked in. We locked in, man. Let me go share this joint on the gram. I heard they was closing or shutting down or like stop making the Project X drones. Is that true? You know who I am. Yeah. Yeah, man. Make sure this shit. Um, yeah, I think I might get into like some Friday. Oh no, 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 yeah, yeah, I know, I know, I know. I know it's you, Theo. I was saying, Dawn Fate. Nah, I was saying, about the Top Step, John. I don't know if they gonna keep that up there or like the Project X. I don't know if they keeping that up there. Do 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 do. What was I saying though? Oh yeah, Friday expiration though. That's what I like. That's what I like. Could really play spy puts right now, bro. Get like 94. Do it for the fine. I ain't gonna do it. Top Step on project they kick everyone else. Oh, got you. Got you, got you, got you. Oh, Miss Don't Hate. Miss Don Fate. Do, 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 do. See what this PA doing, man. Nothing that I like. Nothing that I like. Normally the whole wait the first 15 minutes is I play by that. So you see come 9:45 what the market want to do. But I'm really like, do we get a bounce at 28 at this pivot? I might jab that. I jab it on the funders. Get a bounce at you get a bounce there. Retested it. It'd be something like this. But trying to find a color for my boxes. I think I might go orange. Yeah. Come on. I hope this joint don't just melt, man. Then I probably won't have a trade. Cause I don't like chasing trades. Will not have a trade if this just melts. We got like relatively equal highs on SPY though. Let's see. Yes, I was ready to say, when do you get to, when do you start, or like, I don't know, you said you got the account, so when you gonna be back on? So I'm gonna be rusty. Nah. Hop on trading view. Paper trade, paper trade. I know my chart's looking crazy right now. I got two different colors in this joint. But I changed it last night. I just didn't change it on my options chart. So yeah, I'm gonna have to be feeling that joint. Well, that's the short I liked this morning. I don't even know, maybe after first paycheck, like end of February. Jeez. Yeah, for sure have to I'll for sure be paper trading now. Let's see, man. It look like we're gonna fill the gap first 15 minutes, so uh I don't know. It doesn't seem like we're getting much volume down here. Um but I would love it if NQ could sweep Asia low. We sweep Asia low, get an inverse out on the 1 minute. I'll take the long. Um if this goes back up though, then I'll probably bet on the continuation short. I don't know. We're just gonna wait. What's news looking like today? 10-minute delay on TradingView. I mean, it might just be worth paying the today Tuesday. Maybe we got news at 10 a.m. Let's see what it do, if anything. Yeah, it might just be worth paying like the extra bread a month so that you can so you can get like the live data. I feel like it'd be worth it just so you can um you know perfect your craft. What was I looking for? I ain't gonna lie though, this joint rip up to this pivot. I'm getting into them swing puts that I want. I don't know. I don't know if we get a continuation here or not. I feel like we're gonna see a reaction out of this 1 minute. I don't know if I'm gonna take the inverse. So if I was gonna take any inverse now, it'd have been this gap right here. But I still don't think that's a high quality trade. Yeah, I don't think that's a high quality trade. And I'm not gonna get stuck trading another inside day to day, man. I'm not. So either we sweep London and go down, or we take Asia and go up. But this bouncing back and forth, I'm not going for it. I'm not going for it at all. Especially with FOMC tomorrow. Especially with FOMC tomorrow. Yeah. Gotta call my sister. Let's see. 15-minute. Yeah, this 15-minute close in 2 minutes, so it honestly sucks because I wouldn't even play like the orb. I feel like the break to the upside it'd just be to this pivot and then right back down. We got this 5 minute right here though that we just tapped into. Just right here. So let's see actually what that would be if we inverse that and target Asia. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. 1.5. Just see, man. We gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. Yeah. Actually, I might as well change my my chart on now. I gotta save it though. Green ski. What y'all think, man? Go for Asia, London first. What y'all think? Sometimes it be taking time to show up on the. Oh, no, it didn't. There we go. Come on, man. Just give me. Yeah. Give me 30, 50. I'll swing 31 puts. And we good. And we Gucci. Got this level right here on SPY, so I might actually. No, I don't think no bear trap. Be funny seeing what people be putting on here. They probably think it's funny what I be saying on here. Whoop dee doo. Whoop dee doo. Do 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 do. Oh man. Let me hold on, give me a second. Let's see if that's better for the let's see if that's better for my mic. It looked like it was still low. We're respecting this 1 minute as of now, but it's not. Hold on, give me a second. We're respecting this 1 minute as of now. You're not moving for much. I like to see it tap halfway before doing anything, though. So, but what I'm looking at right now, man, we just waiting for an entry. We just waiting for an entry. Gotta be patient. We got this new 15-minute open. I mean, we at the halfway mark for this 5 minute though. Which is right there. Let's see if we respect it though. It's right here. Bring the stop to that high, and then we could target Asia. It's not a bad joint. I don't hate it. Why is that joint so? I don't hate that right there. I don't hate it. Let's see. 15-minute under. 5 minute under. 15-minute almost under. Like I said, let's see if we get a close up here. 20 seconds if this could hold. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. It's no good. I don't like it. Because most times if this joint don't respect like the halfway mark of a gap, it's gonna blow through it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we flip this 1 minute right here and then go up here for London. I would not be surprised. It's just that the risk to reward on this joint is not it's not bad, but I honestly like my stop right there. That's a 1-to-1, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Like I said, I really don't like longs today, so I'll be looking to get into some shorts for Friday. Friday's the what? What day is Friday? The 30th. Yeah. To the 30th expiration. I don't know. What I tell ya? What I tell ya? This 5-minute close, like, it didn't technically inverse it, but I knew. I knew. I just knew, man. So yeah, make sure y'all like this, John. I know you could like streams. So yeah, like the stream. The the Discord link should be in the description. Hey man, y'all go join that. Yeah, we locked in. We're gonna be live. Try to be live every day. 9:30. I know tomorrow I got something to handle in the morning. So I think I put a PM stream in the Discord. But yeah, if not, every day 9:30. I don't like calls. Every day 9:30. PM stream. Sometimes I stream Asia session. Which is like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Yeah, man. We got this inverse. I don't ever play the close, like entry on a close. I like for it to tap back in. But like I said, once we take London, I'm gonna be getting into 631 puts on QQQ. Then I'll enter on my fundeds on an inversion down, which will probably be like a test of this level. And then yeah, this one played out sweet though. If y'all took this joint right here, inversed it, tapped back into it. Stop at the low, target London. That was a good joint. 631 puts. Let's see. Let's see what she do. I don't know, man. I'm tempted to get Friday's expiration. I really don't like swinging now. I really don't like swinging. Let's see. They are $1.60 right now a con. Yep. That's what I like. Hold up. Let me get, gonna add a couple right there. Let's see. I think I am gonna get Friday's expiration. They're gonna be more expensive, but Um, all right. Got that level right there for SPY. Let's see what it do. And we got this pivot on NQ as well. So let's take this off because we ain't play that. And let's see. I would say we got filled pretty decent. Got a pretty decent fill. Now we wait. SPY is building up. Mad buying. Buyers is building up right there. They not on QQQ though. So let's see if we can get see what we get. Oh, ain't nobody say Siri. Bugging out. We good. See what pivot. I mean, you got one of them for a minute. So SPY looking weak. SPY is looking weak. I want to see us get a nice. Trying to like opened up. Got this crazy 5-minute gap though. I would really love if we were to test this pivot on NQ, so I can get a head entry. We got this 5-minute right here though, y'all. So Yeah. See profit, take profit. That's what I always say. Our options joint ain't doing nothing though. It's just going back and forth between down 2% and break even. So, um, I really feel as though, yeah, we see 28 again. Uh, but like yesterday, if y'all was here for yesterday's joint, I'm not gonna be, um, I'm not what they BS today, man. They ping pong. They pinned this joint up at the top and then sunk it like the last 15 minutes before close. I'm not going for that. So, even though I'm sized for zero, uh, if we hold this pivot on NQ, I'll take whatever L that may be. Move on to the next setup. Name above all other. Spy's not looking too strong now. Let's see. Or if POC takes over here, the point of control takes over at 30.45. I'm gonna clip it. Move on. Might re-enter for the same direction, but uh just wait. Like yesterday, I think we just got into early on the option side. Uh but on futures we was able to catch. I'm sorry, that's Asia. On futures we was able to catch a dub. So yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I think it's getting we're getting invalidated. Your name above all other names. Dang. Okay. PLC look like it's going to be taken over. Let's see. You need this move to be aggressive though. More aggressive than what it is now. There we go. There we go. Let's see. We in this 5 minute bullish FVG. So we are up 15%. I would like to target 29.22, but like I said, man, I'm seeing profit, taking profit. I might just trim right here too. Trim a con. Or trim some, leave a runner. Because we're in this bullish fair value gap. I think that's what's. Dang, if this thing could fill me, I didn't get filled. There we go. Equity. Alright, man. I just don't like if y'all these shaved candles, you know, price more times than not likes to last contract's at break even. Not even gonna turn this into a losing trade. And we're about to get stopped for break even. Yeah. Last one got taken out for break even. It's whatever. You know, it'd be like that sometimes. We didn't get the move we wanted, but thank God we got something. Was that like had a $1.70 right there off them, off that little move down. Dag, I literally forgot my whole train of thought. Oh, I was talking about the shaved candles. Yeah, more times than not, price tends to um, come back to that area. And if you look closely, because they be trying to fake them out. Like this looked like one, and we got a little wick. Got a little wick, but we got one right here, and we have one right here. But as you can see, we have one right there. So, and I don't feel like yeah, and then the fact that we didn't test this pivot on NQ, you know, so whatever. Take the, and as y'all can see, point of control changed as well. Same time I said that. So yeah. We in that 5 minute. I think I might take this on the futures. The setup is there. Tapped into a 5 minute. Inverse to 1 minute on the way out. That is the setup. That is the setup indeed. I just don't know what. I probably have a stop. Yeah, that's crazy. Probably had a stop right there. I got that level marked out for some reason. I had that right there. No say, man. We had to pivot though, so let's just be patient. Not do anything. Oh, it changed and then it flipped back. I would love 31 puts right here. I think I'm gonna take another jab at shorts, honestly. What's S&P looking like? Yeah, I think I'm going to take another jab at 31 shorts. Not gonna go full size this time though, but um okay. Not gonna go full size this time. Not in yet. Not in. I'm not in. SPY is looking so weak, bro. This rally favors upside or downside going into earnings, so buy or sell the news. Who is buying at these levels? Agreed, man. Agreed. Um, I want to take another jab at this. Oh, okay. Just about I don't be, but then maybe I should be paying attention to ES as well because we had Asia highs above that. But I believe NQ, um, yeah, we already had taken out Asia highs. They're not bad. They're going for $1.20 a pop. Uh, let's go real light. Let's go real light. And let's just let it play out. Real light, let it play out. See if we can get a move back down to 28. So yeah, I'm in those 631 puts, by the way. Um, Light size, not a full position like the first trade. Um, but but we're looking for a bigger move. So either this goes to 33 and it validates it, and you know whatever, we take the L. Or this goes to 28 and potentially fills the gap all the way. Let's see. I don't know how to I still don't know how to do everything on this jaw. How do you make oh no. Didn't mean to open that up. Oh yeah, there we go. Start a poll. Do we from here or dump in 6 G puts? I would say it's not looking terrible for for like I could see the long setup. Um POC obviously changed right here at this level, which is a pivot. Um we tested it, kind of dipped below it, tapped into this 5 minute as well. Uh and now we could bounce up here, easily go to 32 or uh 33. But as you know, the market kind of does whatever it wants. So we could also fill this 5 minute or like retest VWAP and buyers just get blown through. And we come back down here to our previous point of control, which is in this 5 minute, by the way. And if buyers don't pick it up from here, then we could easily go to the next pivot and the next one. But I believe we have yeah, we have a pivot on the higher time frame right here at 29, 29.70. So um I would say before this goes up to 33, we test it back down, but you know, you know, first, I don't know. I wouldn't go long here though, for darn sure. Uh, let me. I put yes or no. A bot meant to put rocket or dump as the options. But that's cool. Let's redo that. There we go. Gotta get some some music going in this joint. We are up, man. I'm just not. I'm just really not. I'm just really not going for it. Like, uh, I'm just really not going for it. Really not. Like, I would not be buying right here. It's funny because I was in swing calls at 608 and I closed out early um, for like a low gain. And now this thing just goes up. I don't feel as though this is a bad spot um, to swing puts though, but we could easily rip to all-time highs. So we shall see. See if we get a nice strong move. Um, see what we looking like on futures. Nobody saying anything about Siri. John bugging. Yeah, we got a daily pivot right here. So, which is 87. What is that, like 30 points away from where the level I got marked out? So, yeah, we could for sure um take that high, respect this pivot, and just send her down. You can send her down now, honestly, though. You can send her down now. We up 5%. We looking for, um, honestly, at least 50% banger. If not 100, really 100. We size light, so yeah, I expect. We size light to get uh a heavier move. Puts here for a tumble. Yeah. Only thing is though, like I would like calls if we were like 25 area, I would like calls. 15-minute we got no gaps. We got this low one, but I would like calls in that area. Like 25. Um yeah, man. Other than that, this I feel like it makes more sense for us to go down than just keep ripping up. But if that's what I think, then the market's probably just going to do the complete opposite. It's like, nah. But that's what it be feeling like sometimes. Like everything, like technically, um, like price action wise, will be screaming like it needs to go down. Like it makes no sense to be for it to be going up and people to be buying at these levels. But it'll just keep ripping and then like the slightest like headline or like news today didn't even do anything. Uh yeah, news at 10 a.m. didn't do nothing. Trump's speaking at 4, but options would be done by then. And I'm not playing that net futures at 4 o'clock. So Yeah, man. But they'll say like the slightest thing, and this thing will just sink, or like just because it'll just sink for no reason. And when this thing sinks, it, man, I've seen moves like just one candle, boom. It's like that. That's probably what it's gonna do on FOMC, man. Like, even though they could probably have the most bullish conference and whatever, and this thing is still go down, just because they just hanging it up there. It's being hung up there. Anyway, though, um, we got this 1 minute gap that we just inversed. Let's see. I wouldn't hate something along the lines like that. Sorry, I don't feel like doing math, so bear with me. Yeah. Like 83. Something like that wouldn't be bad. First target being VWAP. I wouldn't be mad at it. I don't know though. Let's see. So I owe you. Told y'all though. Test this pivot. Let's see if we get a strong follow through though, and this thing doesn't just BS us for the rest of the day. Let's see, man. Let's see. Hold up. I'm about to log into my joint. So hey yo, y'all said rocket from here? Who voted that? Rocket is crazy, man. We in puts. I want this joint to rocket. I rebuke whoever voted that. It's like, nah. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm about to log into my joint, so hold up. Alright. We back. We back. Nah, man, it'd be crazy if we rock it from here. Not gonna lie. We up though. We still up on those, on the puts. Until this Little candle right here. We were up about 15%. Now it's more like 5. Um, sure. Well, let's see if we catch this. Because I think I took the. By the time we took the futures trade, um, I was off stream. So let's see if we catch a dub on the fundeds on stream 10:30. Yeah, we still got time, man. We still got time. I gotta get a playlist, to be honest, so I can play music without them frying my YouTube account. Gotta get some elevator music for y'all. Mm. Hey, what? What they doing? Hold up. I just got a notary. I just got a notary. When is this? Is this new? January 22nd? No. Are they gonna post it on their do 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 do? Dag, I don't know where. Where the freak? Apex doing 90% off? I don't see nothing their uh on their website though. So I don't know how true that is. I don't see nothing on their website about that, buddy. Not today, buddy. Yo, literally. This thing I have no support and it just out of nowhere. Like, look at me, I'm support now. Be blowing me, bro. Literally be just blowing me. We should have blew past 30-20. Not even gonna lie. So the fact that we are still going is sick. Same thing they did yesterday though. Probably down. I know we're down. Um. Oh, what was I about to look for? Oh yeah. Uh. I don't know if it's gonna show my stuff, so. Oh, I could just do that. Yeah. Give me a second, so I can look at their at Apex's website. That didn't work. All right. I guess never mind. Cut it back on. I'll just do it on my phone. 90% off. I would literally. I'm gonna take. Yeah, I don't see nothing. They didn't put nothing in their server either, so I don't know how true that is. Unless it's just I don't know. I'll check it later. But yeah, I will literally use the payout that I am still waiting for them to approve, by the way. And I would get you could have up to 20. Probably get like 5 more. Probably get like 5 more. What am I doing? I can't think right now. Lord have mercy. That's why I need some Vaseline. Lips dry as a bone. Lips dry as a bone. Yeah. It's I mean, I really expect nothing else. And I think I might just add that to the list of to not to do's, which is just not to trade just like that week before, or that Monday and Tuesday before FOMC, just leave the market alone, because this is usually get the latest post. No reason to be going up. No reason at all. Then look at SPY. How close are we to all-time highs? Oh, well, that makes sense. We are right at all-time highs. 96. Oh, they did just put it in their server. What is that? $90 all in. Ends February 4th. Yes, sir. We sure is. We sure is. Go grab your Apex Jones, man. Even though I ain't got my own code yet. They the best prop, in my opinion. Best prop, in my opinion. They probably doing that because FOMC tomorrow and earnings, and they know people's gonna be degenerates and try to, yeah, man. Which, you know, You know. You dig what I'm saying? What's that shit? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Probably grab like 5 of them Johns. Probably grab like 5. Uh, mm, probably grab 5 and trade those on FOMC instead of the fundeds. Yeah, this joint's looking so cooked, bro. This joint's looking so cooked. Like, it has no business being up here. What y'all think? Y'all think QQQ get the all-time high? We could easily push past that FOMC. I just don't know. The way this is looking, like, the way this is looking, don't know. I don't know if that's the move. If it would be, it'd probably be like, uh, not this Friday, next Friday expiration, and or at the money puts. They can, they not gonna. Yo, and what's up with the tariff, John? Ain't they supposed to be ruling this man's stuff illegal? Like, get him out of here. Get him out of here. Let's see what else we got coming up. Got PPI on Friday. Okay. Okay. February's gonna be good. Let's see. Let's see what contracts looking like the 6. They're probably dumb expensive now. He juiced up premiums for the Fed meeting. Do. 6. Yeah. Yeah, they cranked them out. Probably wait. It'd probably be smarter not to get into any swings until after Wednesday anyway. Unless you're purposefully trying to play earnings. Which, I don't know, in my opinion, you should still wait. Mercies every day. Let's pray for those whose inputs are allowed. They are really chart. Church is the comments of charts that we see and be likely is 89% of it be wrong. 90% off is crazy though. They normally only do that for like something special. That's just on the whim. That's how you know they trying to get that bread right before FOMC. On most of y'all. Um, no, most of y'all, it's just gonna blow them Jones, like, and not even. I don't know. Like, I agree with a trading the evals more aggressive. Um, but it's still like a quote unquote method to doing that. You are not the smartest bird if you just like, like you get one, blow it, get another one, blow it, get another one, blow it. You better off getting to hedging the positions and you know doing it like that. All you deserve. Oh, I told y'all though. Once the POC picked up right here at being at the pivot, it's gonna get a move up. Either 32, 33 or 28. That's why I owe you. Still holding though. Where we at? I think you're down like 20%, 30%. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Still green for the day. So it is what it is. If we didn't have this gap right here though. Wow. Only light shorts because of the gap. And this atrocious price. That's why I owe you. What is this? Just about our fifth green day in a row. So we had it for one of the mode one red days, man. Just be patient. Just gotta be patient. But how long this joint been running? It's 11. Yeah. Probably get off this joint like 11:30. Unless we make a move before then. And I'll just update y'all in the Discord server. Where to trade at. Cause we not doing nothing right now. This PA is bad, man. This PA is bad. Nothing really happening. Kind of tapped into this 5 minute and just ran off of that, but Other than that, you know, you didn't take out Asia. Like we didn't take out yesterday's like London. Like we got a lot of liquidity to the downside. And you know, the day before or 2 days before uh the Fed meeting, they pumped this joint. Yeah, I'm not buying that. Not buying it at all, actually. And actually, I got this 5 minute right here. Right here. Let's see what we do coming out of that. On whether we inverse it or it sends us higher. Because not only do we got a gap, we got a pivot, and most of our volume is right there at that level too. So yeah, see within the next 30 minutes what's that looking like. We still in our puts though. For those who just got in this joint, in 631. Oh, y'all see it, yeah. Forgot I had it on there. 631. 0 DTE puts on QQQ. We're in the money, but or we're in the money now. I got in a little early though, so this trade is still down a little bit, but we're still up on the day. So yeah, we Gucci. I really would love to see what we do out of this gap. I would really love to see. So, man. If y'all not in the Discord server, go join the server. Yeah. Be doing like be streaming in there on Fridays. We took a banger trade last Friday. Yeah, I gotta go join that, John. Join that, John. And if you're new to trading, you know, it's a perfect place. Perfect place to learn. Perfect place to learn. Yeah, we are in the money, but I'm not. No say. You know, say. This thing's like making support like on a whim. For real, for real. And then just launching off that John. Just corny. But I didn't peep this. We got no volume up here for SPY. Haven't had any since like 95.50. And their PLC didn't change. So yeah, we're so good. Ours was down here and then it changed. So we'll see. We shall see. What y'all think, man? We still in that same area. Go vote on the John. What do y'all think we gonna pump from here from like 30, 31 and go up to like 34, or we going right back down to 28? Let me hear it. It's like these little pullbacks and these launches up. I know likey. I know likey. I was already say, like, why does it look like that? If QQ used to be on Apple PX for a person who had it's 37 in a rally, if you confirmation early. Yeah, that'd be another thing. It definitely picks and chooses which one of these Johns it wanna follow for the day. He's saying it's following Apple. I don't think so. It looked like it's more feeding off of Nvidia and this move up, which, looking at this, I would say we still got more room up to 90. Which is definitely going to fry us on this tip. That'd be good though. Yeah, like I said, man, we see what this 11 o'clock candle do, but if we inverse this 1 minute going up right here, get a closure above this, I'm just gonna call it GG's. I'll manage the trade. Send y'all updates in the Discord server. But yeah, because I feel like this should get respected, and we at least target VWAP. If we inverse it, I mean, we could keep going up. We could just slowly grind up to this level. But that's pretty much the only thing I like for the rest of the day. Another no trade day. Another no trade day. Tomorrow's gonna be a no trade day too, at least on the funded accounts. Apex just put their little discount out, so I'll probably grab some evals. But other than that, that's what we got. Sorry, I ain't got no elevator music for y'all. I got me ramble. I'll be alright though. Open scene filters, scenes. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, it looked like SPY 196. You could possibly get a little SMT. SMT at the highs. Yeah, it's looking like GG's, boys. Even though we didn't inverse it, We didn't respect the 50% mark, so the likelihood of this candle um, for like the next three candles, just the 1 minute closing above here, honestly ripping higher than there, is very likely. Only you deserve. The moves down been so phony this past couple of days, man. Get this off the chart. Only you deserve. Yep. This this right here, man. You start seeing this, it's no bueno. That's no bueno. Because volumes basically, we basically all right here, you know? Like these levels right here, we're all right here. And it could just launch us. It's like SPY on the other hand. Oh, SPY on the other hand, um, honestly like it better, but I gotta stick to what I know. Stick to what I've been doing. just QQQ. And I think we got that closure. For this candle, a likely close above this level right here. We'll probably wrap it up on that note. How long we been on this, John? I can't check. Or rather, I don't know. Oh yeah, it's right here. Yeah, we give it 15 more minutes. Just so y'all can see what PA does, but yeah, again, no trade. No trade today, man. Except for the little small options trade, but really didn't don't got a lot of size in that position, so not really worried about it. We got the closure. Probably get a pullback into this area again, if anything, before going up some more. This probably was like the only sound joint today, but let's see. Do 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 do. It's like today's market, man. Just open your computer, hit buy, and just walk away. And come back 15 minutes later, you'd be up. Oh, oh man. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for that Fed meeting tomorrow. Y'all do not understand. This thing is so over, bro. Like, this thing is so over, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. We looking at all-time highs on SPY. That was the target. Oh, we're at new all-time highs. Are we not? Yes, we are. New all-time highs for SPY, which means we don't, other than the pivots, we really don't have any, or I rather don't have any resistance levels. If we keep running, I could definitely see 700. 700 is also a psych level as well. I feel like we can get smacked right here though. I feel like we can get smacked right there. When did I request that, John? Sunday? It's Tuesday? They should be approving my payout by now, man. About to get me tight. I really like shorts off this joint. I could size in. I would rather wait till we get to here though. On SPY. Haha. What they on the I got Apex on a live stream, man. As soon as I said they get me tight, I get an email that they approved it. Payout locked in, man. Payouts locked in. Only long span a day. Wait for February announcement tomorrow for a turnaround. First payout. Yes, sir. Payout secure. Loki hype. We touching the milli this year, chat. Touching the milli this year. Yeah, touching the milli this year. Does Nasdaq want to go for this high? What's this one at? 130, 140, 10 points. Yeah. We should mark out that, John. Does Nasdaq want to go for that high? Yay or nay? Yeah, 925. Ugh. It's either I take them on, and we approaching lunchtime too, bro. It's like this is where they uh SPY picking up volume right here. This is not a good sign. QQQ POC change, even though it's really like this whole area right here is fighting from 30.50 to 31.50. So, um, yeah. Hold up, let me send this, John. Send it to my wife first. Send it to mi esposa. Dang, I don't know how. Thought you used to be able to just click on it. Let's see what we get. I'm not getting that message somehow. That's why I owe you. Zero puts. So not that anyone cares. Yeah, man. It's like not fully filling the gap. Already being, over. Like we had like 20, what's it at? Like 29 really was a very strong level of resistance. And like, yeah, pre-market we kind of stayed above it, but cash open, um we didn't well, like we just blew past that jump and haven't like retested it as support. Because that's how, I mean, you know resistance, break the resistance and now becomes support. But you got tested for that. So that's how I was saying, like 2029, this area right here would be a good area for a pullback. And if bulls don't pick up around here, then next area would be 25. But the fact that we just blew past this joint and like made support out of thin air is sick. We're at that level for SPY now, so um let's see. I could really go like light size. I go light size on futures too. And see what's up. Because the SPY blows past 96, then 98 looks like, you know, 98 look like it's going to be, like that's what it's going to be. 240, we got two. It's like two more. Four more, I have six. We could add here on I think I'm gonna add some here. Let's see what's up. Still not a full position, but I'll let this play out. I really don't like using these on for options because it's like, you know, it doesn't really whatever, but I would say um I would say 32.50, and I would like to target VWAP like that. We can get rid of this. I normally don't like skinny gaps, but it's the only thing that I'm really looking at on here. So yeah, and then nothing on here. Like price is pretty balanced. Going up actually. So I forgot what my brother said. I forgot what he said. I think it makes it more likely for price to, when it's balanced going one direction, it moves faster in the opposite direction. I believe like not balanced, if that makes sense, like making gaps. But yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. We I will I'm gonna take a I don't know how I get it off of the line, but I'll take a screenshot for the server, or should move it on there like that. Take a screenshot for the server, and yep, that'll do it. That will do it indeed. Up almost 250 points on a day. 1%. What a freaking day. SPY should be getting a reaction here. PLC should take over here, and then we should melt pretty fast through the low volume areas. Same thing with NQ, like we didn't change our PLC yet, like not even down here, so likelihood that we continue to go down is highly probable in my position. But yeah, again, don't look at this thing. This is just my entry. Y'all know what options the Greeks be cooking y'all. So yeah, on that note, I catch y'all in the Discord server. Go join if you haven't. You know, new trader or novice trader. If you call yourself an experienced trader, you know, feel as though anyone could benefit from joining. Sure, I don't want to say too much. I'll catch y'all. How I end this joint.